spiritual pussy
enthusiasts.
Creating a magical talisman or charm involves a combination of symbolism, intention, and personal belief. It's essential to note that the effectiveness of such objects is subjective and largely depends on the belief and intent of the person creating and using them. Here's a general step-by-step guide to help you create your magical talisman or charm. Determine the purpose. Decide on the purpose of your talisman or charm. What do you want it to represent or bring into your life? Whether it's protection, luck, love, confidence, or any other intention, be clear about your goal. Choose the symbol or material. Select a symbol or material that aligns with your purpose. This could be a specific gemstone, a piece of metal, a carved figure, a written sigil, or any other item that holds personal significance or is traditionally associated with your intention. Cleanse and purify. Before working on your talisman, cleanse and purify the chosen material to remove any previous energies or influences. You can use various methods like smudging, with sage or other cleansing herbs, placing it under running water, leaving it under moonlight, or soaking it in kosher salt and water or ocean water is fine also. Set your intention. Find a quiet and focused space where you can concentrate on your intention. Hold the chosen material in your hands and visualize the outcome you desire. Concentrate on the energy you wish to infuse into the talisman. Add symbolism. If you're using a physical object, you can add further symbolism by inscribing sigils, symbols, or words that represent your intention. Use a pen, a sharp object, or engraving tools depending on the material. Charge the talisman. Charging infuses the talisman with your intention. You can do this through meditation, holding the object and pouring your energy into it, or even performing a small ritual. And for those in the know, a dot of period blood or semen is a powerful way to charge your talisman. Some people like to speak affirmations or incantations while charging the talisman. Be creative and make sure you focus when charging your talisman. Create a connection, establish a personal connection with the talisman by meditating with it regularly. Carry it with you or keep it close, especially during significant events or situations related to your intention. Respect and care. Treat your talisman with respect and care. Clean it regularly, and avoid letting others handle it if possible, as their energy might affect its efficacy. If you think your talisman been messed with, just give it a nice cleanse. The most crucial element in the power of a talisman or charm is to know that your talisman works. Magic is nothing more than manipulating energies, and the game is learning how to manipulate those energies for your benefit and in your favor. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share.